This is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open your dollar bead box and dollar bead bag for November 2024. So 2 separate subscriptions. Here's the bead bag. We'll open this first. $8 a month. 4 strands of 3mm fire polish beads and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish beads. The best deal around, $1 a strand. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, here you go. Here are your 3mm and 4mm fire polish. That's 8 strands. It's $8 a month. So $1 a strand, 50 beads to the strand. So let's look at them. So look at a couple at a time. So 3mm, light topaz luster. So pretty. And then citrine luster AB or tangerine. Gorgeous. We have antique brass copper or vintage rose gold luster. It's this one. Beautiful. And then the next one is citrine vitriol or matte citrine. So how pretty are those colors for November, for the fall in general? Okay, let's look at the 4s, and they're the 4mm, and they're just so well coordinated with the 3s. I just love it. Citrine vitriol. So just some of the same exact colors, and some are just colors that go with beautifully. Citrine luster AB or citrine. I love that one. Isn't that beautiful? That's really, really pretty. Light topaz, so we have that in the 3, and citrine rainbow, that's pretty. So citrine is the really, and topaz are the featured colors in this bag. Beautiful. Okay, so here are your sparkly, beautiful fire polish beads, and I do have a coupon code for you. I'm going to put it up on the screen and in the description box below the video. So let's take a look at the box. First thing we'll do is open the letter, and they give you all kinds of info that's going on. So November drapes the world in muted gold and amber. That's a little quote there. And then they give you a description, and they have these exclusive offers. So they have a November exclusive offer, and it tells you all about it. You get a coupon code. They tell you how to, what to do with it. Here are all their social media. And here is our list. Everything out of the box. And this theme is gorgeous. Not only is it gorgeous November, fall kind of theme, but it's also, most of the beads are opaque, so they're just like, they look like stones, like semi-precious gemstones. So start with these strands. How beautiful. I love showing a few pieces together because then you see how beautifully they go. So we'll start with the 8mm check fire polish in mustard travertine. You get 15 pieces, just like a carved stone. Beautiful. And this one too, this rondelle, 2.5mm by 4mm rondelle. It's a check glass. Everything's check glass here. Rondelle, alabaster travertine, or alabaster travertine luster. You get 36 pieces. Look how pretty. That's gorgeous. And then we have a 6mm check fire polish, alabaster travertine. Look how gorgeous these are coordinated. 20 pieces. Let's add on the next 3. We have this beautiful bicone, and this is a 6mm check glass bicone, alabaster medium travertine. So look how nice that contrasts. And it is that bicone that is not faceted. It's really pretty. Again, these all look like they've been carved out of stone. You get 25 pieces. Did I say that? And then we have a 4mm check glass Druck gold acid washed, and you get 25 pieces. That's beautiful. And look at this little 5mm. Love getting a 5. Check fire polish beige opal travertine, 25 pieces. So look how beautiful that they look together. Gorgeous. Let's look at the additional items. There are so many of them. We've got an 8mm check glass flat star, bronze luster, 6 pieces. Look how pretty. So we're getting a little sparkle in here, but it's still not crystal. It's check glass, and it's so pretty. Okay, for all you check glass spike lovers, 17mm check glass spike, opaque beige, you get 4 pieces. Again, these look like bone beads, don't they? Beautiful. Millimeter check glass square and caramel, 15 pieces. I just love what they do with the check glass. It's so gorgeous. Really pretty. So we have a 17 by 22mm check glass bumblebee, amber crystal, 1 piece. For all you gardeners, I'm an avid gardener, or I try anyway, and I just love the bees. It's so pretty. And look how pretty that glows. Like, it looks like real amber, doesn't it? Next up we have a check glass bellflower. This is like a little bead cap. Oops. So you can put that over a pearl. You don't have to, but, or, another bead. So that's really pretty. This looks sort of like tortoiseshell, doesn't it? It's called honey brown. It's an 8mm. 8 pieces. Next up we have these adorable little tiara cast oak leaf charms, 6 by 11 millimeter, antique gold plated. You get 2 of them. Love tiara casts, look pretty. They're finished on both sides, so really beautiful. You can dangle them from an ear wire or from the bottom of a, an earring. That's pretty. That's very pretty. This is a 7 millimeter check glass faceted round bead chestnut opal, 10 pieces, and again, beautiful. Looks like a stone. Looks like some kind of jade, doesn't it? So pretty. Love that. Got this pretty dragonfly. This is a 17 millimeter beige opal travertine with copper wash. I love the copper wash on that. That is so pretty. You get just the 1 piece, but really pretty little focal bead. This is a beautiful rondelle, isn't it? This is a 7 millimeter check glass rondelle beige travertine. I love the travertine, just like a stone. It's gorgeous. You get 12 pieces. Really pretty. This is a cool shape, 5 millimeter check glass hexagon, antique gold. You get 8 pieces. One of mine went flying, but it's on the floor. I'll pick it up in a minute. That's pretty. I love that sort of matte gold. That's beautiful. Next up we have this beautiful check glass sunset flower, antique gold. You get 8 pieces. They're 10 millimeters. And if you look around on a lot of the websites, you'll see all these beads, but this price is amazing. Check glass metallic mix in antique gold. You get 20 grams. So we have this metallic mix in, I think, copper, gold. We might even have it in silver. I'm not sure. Look back in your boxes. But I mean, wouldn't it be kind of cool to just separate all of them in each color and see how many of each you have? Because you've got lots of them. You've got spikes. You've got I love the daggers. The daggers are beautiful. So don't, look in all your dollar bead boxes and pull them out and like separate them and put them together. It's amazing what you'll find that you have and what you can do with it. Really pretty. Okay, there you go. This is our dollar bead box here. And here are the bag items down here. If you can swing both, like perfect. I mean, all you need is this and if you're a bead stringer, you don't need anything else. If you're a bead weaver, you might need a couple of 11/0s and 15/0 seed beads, and you are set. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll put the link in the description box below the video to the Dollar Bead website, and I will also put the coupon code up on the screen again and down in the box. It's down in the description box. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you love your dollar bead box and your dollar bead bag, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.